Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to connect the VPN to Vivo Y200. If you're using Vivo Y200 and now you want to connect to VPN, so let's see how we can do this. First, you must have a VPN. So open your settings. In settings, just scroll down, look for more connections. Open VPN settings here, and here you will get all the VPNs you have. If you have any other VPN, just have one add, and here you can add the VPNs details, and after that just go back and you can easily use VPN. But if you won't have any VPN, just open Play Store to install a third-party application. Just open search and here search for VPN. Just open search and search for VPN here. After that, you'll get a list of VPNs. You just have to select one of them which you want to install. As I have already installed this one. If you want to install another, just install the app. After installation, just tap on open to open the app. Now you just have to wait for its loading, and after that, just tap on connect to connect to VPN. Here you can see the VPN has been connected. Here's the VPN connection icon. Now you can easily change the server, just tap on globe and you will get all the servers which your VPNs have. After that, just go back, just tap on it again. If you want to disconnect, here you will get the option of disconnect, just tap on it and your VPN will be disconnected. You'll get the info. Here's the server name which you want to connect. Here's the duration or time in which you have connected VPN, and here the data use which you have used the data while you're connected to VPN. So that's how you can easily connect to a VPN on Vivo Y03T. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.